There are turntables, drums, drum machines, samplers, and of course, the voice. DJ is short for disc jockey. DJs use turntables and records to blend, cut, and mix songs. The second element of hip-hop is called breaking, which was originally called b-boying or b-girling. MCs are the poetic rappers of hip-hop.
Visited time I force vodkas, getting mentions on the tip of the vibe was. Unbeliever heart stay hardened, my ego talent stay sharp. 我愿你家，愿你他去流浪。
Need someone to live in them just to relieve tension. Me, I'm just a tenant.
Now let me reintroduce myself. I'm Sarak. They call me Red or Shorty for short.
Short, it ain't lasting long, so I'm rapping strong until the passion's gone. I leave a legacy of past batons, and when I'm passing on, remember me, yo, with black.